Heavydrive offers a large range of assembly solutions. We have various mini-crawler cranes that lift up to 10 tons, more than 50 to 60 suction systems to rent with capacities of up to 6 tons. We have many small and medium-sized lifting devices for weights of 300 kilograms, 500 kilograms or up to 1 ton, and various assembly lifts with a lifting height of 7.9 meters that allow us to readily lift panes overhead. We offer assembly solutions and we talk with our customers to provide a quote that is practical, efficient and feasible. Whether a customer needs a mini-crawler crane, a suction system or even a device operator, we can come up with a solution to fit his panes promptly, capably and quickly. Our technical team advises customers on their particular situations and we offer them solutions with our equipment using our know-how and just in time. We ask the right questions and then turn the answers into a quote. If the customer were unsure about anything, then we would invite him to come and see a demonstration at our site, or for large projects, it's often the case that we invite the customer to a test demonstration. We want to create transparency among the architects and the planners, as well as with our customers, and we can ensure this better with large, flat panes than with simple, small panes to create as much space as possible, to show customers the review as much as possible. For example, in a retail store in Dubai, very large 40-meter-high panes are being fitted so that the customers don't stand inside the shop, but they can also stand outside and see what's happening inside. For these cases, Heavydrive offers the relevant systems to stay ahead of the market and accordingly has a ready supply of them in stock. Our current innovations are these large systems that can glaze front panes weighing up to 6 tons or glass fins up to 16 meters in height. The devices are designed to be compact and easy to operate, so assembly with these devices can be done incredibly cost efficiently. Generally speaking, the devices can be operated by anybody. We manufacture the systems so that whether you rent or buy them, they are practical, have very few controls to operate manually or remotely, and they are easy to handle. But in practice, we've seen that for these large systems, it's wise to hire a device operator too, since they have the advantage of a huge amount of know-how over the customer and can provide precise, prompt and effective assembly. The Heavydrive devices are in use globally. The customer can specify the location. Our large lorries deliver them regionally, for example to Frankfurt, Berlin and Hamburg, and to European locations such as Paris, London and Bucharest. We have also delivered worldwide, for example to Dubai, St. Petersburg, Salt Lake City, New York, Washington and Astana in Kazakhstan. First, the customer requests a quote, either by fax or email, or simply by phoning us. After which our technical advisors in the office immediately respond, offering the most effective solution possible to ultimately assemble the customer's glass panes. This information is packaged as a quote, which subsequently becomes an order. Then the whole thing is processed, including the devices, with or without an operator, packaging, and worldwide freight and logistics. Heavydrive delivers worldwide. We handle all the necessary logistics beforehand, asking whether the customer wants the devices transported by sea or by air. Then we construct transport boxes accordingly to make sure the right equipment arrives on the premises safely and promptly, with customs clearance and logistics taken care of. In the future, the systems will of course continue to grow. We will expand further. We will extend our range. We definitely expect the lifting capacities of our medium-sized lifting devices to increase from 500 kilograms to 1 ton or even 1.4 tons, and the capacities of our mini-crawler cranes and assembly jigs and manipulators will rise to 2.5 to 3.5 tons. We have already achieved a suction height of 18 meters with our largest lifting devices. We can fit panes up to 20 and 24 meters. We can lift up to 6-ton weights, but this year we expect to increase that to 10 tons.
Heavydrive